Yo, what's up? This your main man, mean son. It's the God. Bringing you some numerology. And what I want to talk about in this moment right now is a situation that a buddy of mine is kind of facing. You know what I'm saying? He's got a situation, you know what I'm saying, where he's away from his family, you know, and it's fucking with him. Like, it's really messing with him. And the only reason why he's away from his family is because he's looking, he's taking on an opportunity to not only better support his family, but to expand his business. Okay, he is an 8 life path, and his son 5 life path. The woman that's in his life right now, she's a 9 life path. Okay, let me show you how interpreting these energies, how to read it, and how to explain like how this works. Okay, so
correction, he told me.
I told him, I said, man, his son is acting up. He's showing out, you know what I'm saying? Like, now him and his son have a really strong bond, you know what I'm saying? Both parents, him and his girl, their dads weren't in their life, you know what I'm saying? So, they both are in agreement with, we're going to raise our child. Our child is not going to be fatherless, you know what I'm saying? And, he is a great father, you know what I'm saying? Every time, I see him, he always, if he's not talking about his son, his energy's not up. You know what I mean?
Like, he just ain't the same.
His son is a big part of his life, a big part of his heart, you know what I'm saying? He's been acting out, and I asked him, I said, well, what is his birthday? He gave me his birthday. He was born on a 3-day. Well, he's born on the 12th. You add the 1 and 2 together, you get number 3, okay? When I added up the numbers added up to a 5 life path, okay? So he's spontaneous, he's adventurous, he doesn't like the same old routine. He's all about change. That's his lesson. His lesson is to understand and be adaptable to change, right? Now, because he's born on a 12-day, you break down the 12, there's a 1 and there's a 2. The 1 and the 2 actually modify that 3, right? So 1 is all about independence, leadership, a go-getter, you know what I'm saying? 2 is the number of relationship, partnership, cooperation, balance, justice, okay? So with those energies behind that 3 is about creativity, expression, being artistic. So when I was explaining this stuff to my buddy, he was basically saying, yeah, you're right, man. Like, he likes to build. He likes Lego blocks. The Lego blocks allow him to have the freedom to exercise his creativity in building, with the blocks. You know what I'm saying? So, the 3 energy is all about creativity. So people that have that energy, they need an outlet. They need to work with their hands. They need to work with their mind. They need to write, sing. They need to be in some type of field where they can express themselves. Because he's young, I explained to him, I said he may have a hard time expressing how he feels. So a lot of kids, they act out in rage or in anger. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like, that's counterproductive to how they want to express themselves. And this is the message that I want to get out to him and his old lady. Is like, look, a beating isn't always going to be the answer. You know what I mean? Like, he needs to he just needs to understand that there's a change, and that's part of his lesson, is to understand this change that is happening in his life. Does he like it? No, he don't like it, but that's a part of life. Things change, you know what I mean? So that's his lesson. Now, because he was born in February, that 2 energy, because February is the second month of the year, because of that 2 energy, that's the life path period that he's in. He's in the beginning phases of his life, and that's going to last
until he's 28.
You know what I'm saying? Her life path is the 9. So 9 is the number of humanitarianism, is the energy of selflessness. So her lesson is not to be selfish, but to be given of herself without looking for anything in return, which is the most challenging lesson out of all the lessons. However, it is what it is. Now, she was born on 28th. So 28, when you add the numbers up together, you add the 2 and the 8, you get the number 10. 1, and you break down the 10, so 1 plus 0 is going to give you 1. So her sub-lesson is the number 1, which tells me that there's a sense of independence about herself. She's a self-starter. She's not going to look too much for help. She's going to pretty much try to do it on her own. You know what I'm saying? She is a giver, but she can be selfish at times. But she is a self-starter. She don't, she's a go-getter. You know what I mean? Like, the relationship between the mother and the son is a little different, because one, the son is dealing with a feminine energy. Her life path and his life path, add them together, ends up being dealing with the 5 energy.
They both also deal with the 1 energy.
Yeah, dealing with the 5 energy. So
there will be a struggle of control and dominance between the both of them because of the 1.
Not a lot of balance in that relationship. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever energy that she meshes with is going to reflect back out to that person. Anytime you add a number to 9, like say for example you add 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is going to be 17, right? 1 and 7 is 8. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. The energy of giving is giving back. It's like a reflection of whoever they're around, or whoever is in their life. You know what I'm saying? So the 9 energy encompasses all the energies. It's the number of completion. Okay, when you mesh the mother and the son together, you get the 5 energy. So that relationship is going to be spontaneous. It's going to be not balanced. It can be adventurous. There has to be movement in that relationship. There has to be a sense of spontaneity, or you're going to have chaos. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have chaos. It's going to be a very hectic situation, very challenging relationship. Okay, I'm putting this all out to you, my homeboy. You know what I'm saying? So that way, my brother. So that way, you can show your people, so you can show your old lady that, hey, beating isn't always the answer. You know what I'm saying? With numerology, with understanding the numbers, getting a consultation will help put some understanding into the why. Like, why are things happening? And we have to understand that there are energies that are at play. There are spirits that are at play. There are forces that are at play. And another thing that I wanted to bring up too was, my man, he whenever there's conflict, or whenever there's discord, he'll tell us something quick. Hey, we need to pray. We need to pray. We need to come together. We need, get on the phone. Come on, let's pray. And I commend him for that, man. Like, that's empowering that. And I told him too. I said, look, man, the ancestors are always communicating with you. So, you know what I'm saying? So, don't keep it up. Keep going. You know what I'm saying? Like, keep that same fluidity going in your relationship, so that way you will be building. There you go. So you'll be building, so